All right, so we're going to do number 2 on your homework. So let me draw the table first. The table is X, and my marker is giving up. Come on, marker. Don't give up. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have -2, -4, and I'm going to go really quick, but I'm recording this for you guys, okay? So -8, -10, -12. So don't get scared just because we have negatives. We got 10, 4, -2, -8, -14, and -20. Okay, so again, first thing I gotta do is I gotta find my slope because we want it in this format, so I'll put this y equals mx plus b over there. Okay, so I want it to look like that. So first things first, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so I have to pick 2 points. So let's pick 2 points, whichever ones. Let's say I want that guy and this dude right there. Okay, because they're twins. All right, so I'm going to name them first. So this is y1, this is x1 because they're the first one. This is y2, and this is x2 because they're the second ones. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my formula. So I'm going to set up my fraction with my 2 minus signs, and I'm going to put all the numbers where they go, and I'm going to put them in different colors so they stand out. y2 is -8, and y1 is 4. x2 is also -8. And x1 is -4, and I'm going to put that guy in parentheses. Okay? So there I have everything set. Okay, so now I'm going to do my 2-stick rule. So let's go ahead and change to black. And I'm going to do 1 stick there, 1 stick there, 1 stick here, and 1 stick there. That's my 2-stick rule, only in the middle, not in the front, not in the back. Okay? So now I'm going to solve them using my minion math. So I have purple minions and more purple minions. They're all friends, so they get -12. On the bottom, I have purple minions and yellow minions, so they're going to fight, and the negatives are going to win, and they're going to win by 4. Okay? I know because I go to church, this church, not the one with Jesus, that a negative divided by negative is a positive, so this is going to give me a positive answer, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So that's my slope. My slope is 3. Okay? So if you want, you can go ahead and put it up there. Y equals, not m, but 3x plus b. Okay? So there's my slope, that's done. So now I need to find my b. So to find b, I'm going to go ahead and erase all my work that I just did to find slope. And I'm going to put it in the formula. So I got y equals 3x plus b, because now I know what m is. Okay, so now I need to pick another point, and I can pick whichever one I want. So let's say I pick the first one. So this is my y value, this is my x value. So I'm going to put 10 equals 3 parentheses -2 plus b. So now I changed all the variables except for b, which is the one I'm looking for. Now I'm going to multiply these two because that's multiplication, and that gives me -6, because if I go to church, it's positive times negative is negative, and 3 times 2 is 6. So now I have 10 equals -6 plus b. Now I need to get rid of -6. To get rid of -6, I have to do +6. That gets rid of that. And that leaves just b, but I have to do the same thing on both sides. So now I have 10 plus 6 is 16. And now I know my b. So my full equation is y equals 3x, not 6, plus 16. That is my equation. Okay? So my m is 3, or 3 over 1. And my b is 16, or my door. My 3 over 1 tells me to go up and to the right because they're both positive, and my door is at 16. So if I have to graph this, it's going to be way up here. Well, let's pretend that's 16 right here. Well, not that high. Let's say this is 16. And then from there, I have to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So my line would be like this. Okay? And that is how you find slope and the y-intercept from a table.